At St Andrews, our Year 7 and 8 students took on the MIT project Build Better. This programme is set by Dr. Mary Gehring, who is renowned within the research field of epigenetics in plants. The programme ran over 3 days in a project-based learning environment. Students took ownership of their project and were assessed on their scientific knowledge, communication, design skills, teamwork, and consideration of the environment. To celebrate their learning journey, our students produced presentation slides, models, videos, and on the last day presented their final concept in a STEAM Expo in the St Andrews community.
Hello, this is our stand. We have made a plant that is very sustainable. The plant can survive many environments. This is good because it's sustainable for climate change and many other weathers and issues of Thailand. We can further make better plants to help people in need. We had a lot of fun doing this project because we get to build things and we have never done these things before, so it was a new experience for us, including just standing here and explaining about these things in front of people. And we had a lot of fun designing our plant too. Thank you.
So in this project, we were tasked to make a plant which can adapt and survive in the changing climate, since climate change is becoming a bigger and bigger problem every day. In this project, I mostly enjoy manufacturing and making a model of our plant as well as designing it. We designed it by researching on different plants and finding their special features and combining it to make a better plant. This plant can help with the environment since it can adapt to different climates quickly. Mostly the climates that it can adapt to is like droughts and floods. Since the top, it's like a lotus flower which can survive in the water. And inside the roots, it has like really strong roots, so if there's a flood, it would not get washed away. Inside the stem, there's a cactus system, so when there's a drought, the roots can like find the water from underwater and then store it and produce like water inside its own stem.
We created the petala cactus. It's a special type of cactus that uses the flowers on top of it to convert the humidity in the air into water. It can store up to 5 liters of water in its body. It has roots that cover a large area and dig deep into the ground. Flowers on top of its head can produce a sweet smell that attracts pollinators to it. It can also live completely underwater for 15 days using the oxygen atoms in water molecules. The petala cactus is made to cope with global warming.
Hello, this is our sparrow plant presentation. This is our 3D model. It is made from clay, wiring, and cardboard. This plant specialty is bamboo stem, and it is the best at purifying the air around itself. It can also grow up to 0.7 meters per foot per day. A mix of the cactus, the snake plant, and the bamboo plant combined together, causing this Draco sparrow plant. We enjoyed making the most is building the 3D model, and we also made a 3D CAD, which is an online model of the plant.
Hello, my name is Sophia.
I'm Ashi.
And I'm Atam. And I'm Lala. And today we're going to be talking about our task on our plant, which was to create a plant of our own that can survive natural disasters like droughts and floods.
So let's take a look at our plant over here, shall we? So over here we've got our first design of the plants, our final design, and here is our clay model of the design. Now we've taken elements of the agave plant, which is for its leaves, which can be used in calm photosynthesis, a method of photosynthesis used by plants in arid or hot conditions to survive. It allows the plant to photosynthesize during the day and exchange gases at night. And over here, we have elements of the river birch wood and cactus, with the river birch and cactus roots for good water absorption, because they're wide and can absorb water easily. And we've also taken the cactus base because of its spines that come off it, which are a replacement for leaves, because leaves use more water than the spines. And cactus is also very good for absorption of water. Over here we have a brochure with information such as a QR code of our slides, information on the STEAM project, our target, and what is climate change. Over here we have a word search, and these are our slides on everything.
So what we did for our presentation is we started off with researching on our task and writing down all of the information and then looking at different plants to see what was good in floods and what was good in droughts, and then we kind of merged those together to find like 4 different plants. We wrote the most research about them, then we started making the poster, which was to make the decoration so people could look at it, and then later today we just started making all the extra notes and information.
So I think one of the most important things that we had for this was we had to use a lot of paper for this. As you can see, there's paper here, and in order to keep this project sustainable, as this is all about climate change, we, instead of using colored models, we used black and white models, such as over here, it's black and white to make it sustainable. And also I'd say, I think we're going to talk about what our favorite things about making this was. So what was your favorite thing when making this one?
I think it was the sculpting, which I really enjoyed because I also had to follow the design of which I drew.
And Atom, what's your favorite thing about this?
My favorite thing is about making that little sculpture.
And Sophia?
My favorite thing was probably just working as a team and working together and just making the things and just enjoying doing this in general.